Racing just is started. There is Rumble in front position with Fire and Rain moving up down on the inside. Is Keep Your Distance. Then next on line is Fine Performer. Then followed over by Forever Young. Down on the inside is Like to Win. Simple Beauty, 9 de Febrero, Malihim Wild Break of Dawn is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Keep Your Distance by our length, and we have Like to Win is right behind in second. Fine Performer alongside third. 3 lengths further back in fourth comes Fire and Rain, Simple Beauty, Forever Young, 9 de Febrero, Malihim, and a long way back to Break of Dawn, who's still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Keep Your Distance by about 3/4 of a length lead. I want to throw the challenge now on the outside is Like to Win. 9 de Febrero moving up now to take third. Then next on line is Simple Beauty, Forever Young. Now moving up to take fifth. Fine Performer comes next, Malihim. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Like to Win moving up on the outside to take the lead. 9 de Febrero is down on the inside. Keep Your Distance in the middle. Last 75 meters, we have Like to Win by about 4 lengths, and finally Like to Win. Second is 9 de Febrero, Keep Your Distance, Simple Beauty, and number 5, Forever Young.